Hey guys, today we are going to tackle the question of how to find the index of an element of an item in a list. So we know that this is the first element, this is the second element, this is the third element. But what if we want to use that in any other code? How to get that number that this is the first, this is the second, this is the third. So there is this simple code. So we have a list A and then the code is A dot index and the element of which element you want the code. So let's try hello and let's print it. Print, yeah, and as you can see it's the first 0 1 2, and if we there we should get 2. Yeah, so this is how you get the index of any element in a list. Thanks for watching. Do comment if you have any questions and I will make sure to cover it. Keep watching, keep coding, stay curious.